welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Emily. Today I have a really fun unboxing video of my favorite new little trinkets, the Labubu Have a Seat by Popmart. I'm sure if you all clicked on this video, you all know what these guys look like. So yeah, I just thought it'd be fun to do an unboxing, and hopefully there's a secret in here. Would love to be the lucky one to get one of those. So yeah, let's just get right into the unboxing and let's get started. So while I open this, just a story time on how I got these, because I've been wanting these since before Christmas, and I tried getting them in Japan and Taiwan because I thought it might be easier to get in Asia, but it was just as hard. They were sold out everywhere, and I was asking all the different stores, and they were kind of doing the lottery system randomly at that time, and it was very few times, like a month if they did it, and it was very few people who could get them. But I don't know if they got more in the US or something, but one of the malls I visited said they would put on Instagram when they did the drops, and then you have to be the very first to check out online and be able to pick up in store. So I actually got lucky and got to order one online, and it did sell out within the first minute of it dropping. You had to be the first one to click check out, you had to be ready. So yeah, I'm so excited that I got it. But yeah, I think that's one tip, that if you're having a hard time getting these, just make sure you're aware of when they're gonna drop in advance, and then have your cart ready and everything. You know, you really need to check out the minute they drop. Alrighty, so obviously I got the full set, just hoping for a secret, and I also want all the other colors as well. I really want the pink, so that'll be funny if I get the secret and not the pink, but there's always plenty more chances to get another pink one and not another secret one. So if you open it from here, it doesn't damage it, but if you open it from here, I think that's more if you want to do the display how they have it in the stores. But here they are, all 6 of the Labubus in their boxes. Let's start with the one in this top corner. Here it is. I hope this is the one. See what's inside. I will not look at the card just to keep the surprise more fun. Okay, so we have my favorite color right here. Here's the cute baby pink Labubu, and this one's name is Dada. Her card's right there. Kind of a disappointment, as you all see, this was new in box, and look at how this came. It's got black spots where those holes were in the bag right here. I hope that comes out. That is kind of disappointing. It's not coming out while I'm tapping it off, so I thought it would just be dust or something, but okay, that's kind of disappointing, but she's still so cute with her blush. Moving on to the next one. It's so satisfying opening these up. All right, here is the little gray one. So cute. This one will go with tons of bags and stuff. This one's name is Hee Hee. I love that. The names are so fun and cute. This one doesn't have any of the dirt like the pink one did, so this one's intact. I know they say if there's flaws with them, you can circle and note the flaw to them and show it to them, and they will replace it, but I think it's hard to get a replacement of the exact one. I'm not sure. If anyone has experience with that, let me know. Okay, here's the third one. I can't get the opening right. I see other people doing it and it's so easy. Oh my gosh, I'm messing this one up so bad. There we go. Oh, this one is so cute. The little beige tan one. Baba, this one's so cute. This one also will go with everything. Love that. Here's another one. Still no secret. Let's hold out hope. Okay. I swear, every other unboxing video makes this look so much easier. It's just ripping for me. Alright, here's the purple one. Love this one. The colored ones are fun. If you want a little pop of color to a bag, I love that. Okay, this one's name is Zizi. Very adorable. This little lilac lavender purple. I have a hard time telling lilac and lavender apart sometimes. This one's a little more pastel. Okay, put Zizi away. Still have 2 more chances at a secret one. Let's see if this is a secret. That one opened much easier for me. Okay, aw, this one is so cute too. I love this color. Not a secret, but this one's so adorable. This like mint chocolate chip ice cream green is so cute. And with the eyes too. Okay, this one's QQ, I think. I think that's how you say it. QQ, QU, QU. So cute. Another good pop of color. Okay, and the last but not least, the last box in the surprise box unboxing. This one needs to be the secret one. No, not the secret. Okay, it's fine, I'll survive. This one is also so cute. I swear, I love these pastel colors so much. So this one is called CC. Very cute. This one's like a light yellow, but pretty neutral still and kind of more on the like peachy yellow side. Still happy with CC, even though you're not a secret. I'm very happy with all these. They're so adorable. I did not get a secret, obviously, but they're still very cute. I'm glad to have the whole set. We'll see. I might still buy some individual boxes and see if one day I'll be able to get the secret. I don't know if it's worth it. It's like a 1 in, what is it, 76 chance? Clearly very hard to get. But these are so adorable. I will definitely be using these often. Oh yeah, and the feet twist. I think that these are getting a little bit easier and easier to get now, and they're having better stock in the stores, and you don't have to do what they used to do in the like beginnings of the release where you like line up down like the street at 4 a.m. So I hope you're able to also get your hands on some of these. They're so adorable. I think they're reasonably priced given that like so many people want them and are willing to line up for that long. These were $22 each, which I think is very reasonably priced considering how hyped they are and how people are willing to wait so long in line for these. But yeah, thankfully they're a little bit easier to get now, hopefully. And yeah, I can't wait to like put little accessories on them. I know people are doing some very, very creative things, like people are adding braces to their very large pointy teeth and putting eyelashes and little like cute little outfits on them. I think it's a really fun like collectible item and they're very adorable. And I know they're coming out with all sorts of different ones now. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and please subscribe. I'm gonna be doing another one of these unboxing videos for the exciting macaroons Labubus. I got one box of those as well and I'm very, very excited. So hopefully there's a secret one in that one, so stay tuned for that. And I'll see you all in my next one. Bye guys!